Hi, this is Jerome Graber, Mid-American Construction Management. Today we're going to talk about scams in the construction industry and how you can avoid them. I want to empower you as the homeowner to figure out for yourself when important repairs need to be done to your home so you are not at the mercy of random contractors traveling through Fort Wayne trying to convince people that they need work done that they may or may not need done. Today we're going to talk about roofs. How you as the homeowner can tell for yourself that your roof needs done. Obviously you don't want to ignore it because it is something that eventually everybody needs, but you definitely don't want to spend thousands of dollars before your work actually needs done. So let's get right down to it. What are the things to look for? On my blog post you can read a lot more in detail, but let's just talk about some of the basics. Obviously, if your shingles are blowing off of your roof every time there's a big storm, that is just about as strong evidence as you have that now is the time. If this is happening to you and you are repairing your shingles every time a moderate windstorm comes through, you definitely need a new roof and you should not wait any longer to get it done. However, there are also some signs that your roof is very close to the end of its useful life that are maybe not quite as obvious as this. If your shingles are very cracked and the actual tabs are starting to break up with visible hairline cracks in them, this is something that means your shingles are very close, probably not leaking yet, but very likely will be soon starting to leak. This can be hard to see from the ground, so you might want to get up on a ladder and just look at the shingles. The next thing you want to look at is if your shingles, the surface of your shingles is coming off and is running down and collecting in your gutter. Brand new shingles will shed the granules for about the first year, but if your shingles are 15 years old or older and are starting to shed a bunch of granules again, they are getting very close to the end of your life. So when you're cleaning your gutter, look for that. Another sign that you need to look for, and this is something that will tell you that you probably need to start saving your money because you got a year, maybe two at the most, is when the shingles start pulling up and curling up on the edges. Almost certainly not leaking yet, not as critical of a problem as some contractors may come by and try to tell you, but it is a sign that you do want to get those done within a couple of years. Now, one thing to watch out for, this is something that unscrupulous contractors have sold on people way more times than I can believe, but sometimes you can get stains on your shingles that look bad, but really are not nearly as bad as they look. Sometimes you can get some moss or some fungus growing on your shingles. You do want to treat that, get that taken care of because it will reduce the lifespan of your shingles. But just because you've got some stains on your shingles does not mean they need to be replaced. So if you have any questions, you'd like to get an honest contractor out to give you a true assessment of the condition of your roof, go ahead and give us a call or check us out online. I'll come out, you'll meet with me personally. I will tell you what the true scoop is. I'm not going to sell you a roof if you don't need it, but obviously if you do need it, I would love an opportunity to earn your business. Thank you.